Hey kids, hi, can I have some of those? Silly rabbit, tricks are for kids! Ah!
Fuck it, Fruit Loops are probably just as good.
If you've never played Pac-Man before, it's a little something like this.
Being around a yellow guy? Pac-Man! Do he eating lots of donuts? Pac-Man! Running up and down your street, screaming at your mailbox now, hanging from your ceiling fan? Pac-Man! Mouth open and a close? Pac-Man! Run your fingers on my arm! Pac-Man! Jumping up and down real fast, putting butter in your hat, shaving all your kids at night? Pac-Man! Oh, it's time to Pac-Man! The best way to Pac-Man is to use the game. You move the joystick and you eat the dot. Eat all the dots, you win another maze. And mazes are the place where Pac-Man goes. He eat the key or maybe eat the pear, 'cause these are food for eating in the maze. The ghosts are making death, so run away, or make them useless turn into a food.
What are your songs about Pac-Man or one about Silk?
Pac-Man! Stop! ASMR! Nice shoes, let's Pac-Man! And the Pac-Man is the thing that you will move. The thing is all the Pac-Man that there is. Or eating all the dots and also Clyde. But also Clyde is only sometimes food. The food is very easy for the mouth, 'cause mouth is all the thing that Pac-Man has. But if the jet makes melting from the ghosts, then look, another Pac-Man is arrived.
Look what you've done.